Welcome back. While we all love New York City, finding a dream home can be a challenge, to say the least. Fear not, friends. CitySnap is a brand new app created by New Yorkers for New Yorkers to make finding a place to live a little easier, whether you're buying or renting. Sounds too good to be true? Well, I joined my colleague and friend Kirsten Jordan in the East Village for a look at why CitySnap is key in finding that new home.
Here in the East Village.
I didn't even know that there was a botanical garden right here, so you learn something new every day.
Well, that's what's so special about this, is that you're like in the middle of the green.
I hate to admit this because I'm a New Yorker, but I don't know much about the East Village these days.
The East Village is amazing right now. There's restaurants, there's coffee shops, parks, and super cute blocks like this.
It feels like you know a lot about the East Village.
Because I sell real estate down here, but for somebody who doesn't know a lot about the East Village, there's the CitySnap app, which has a ton of information about what's going on in the neighborhood, listings, restaurants, commute time. Whether you're a buyer or renter, you can find anything you're looking for on the CitySnap app at any price point.
Okay, so what kind of places can you find in this neighborhood?
There's pre-wars, there's modern build, there's condos, there's co-ops, all within a few blocks of where we are right now.
So let's just say that I'm looking for a turnkey, top of the line everything, maybe some outdoor space. Can I find it in this neighborhood?
If that's what you're looking for, I think I have just the place to show you.
Ooh, let's go check it out.
The name of this building is actually La Botanica, which refers to the garden that's across the street.
Makes sense. Beautiful view.
And this penthouse is completely custom and different than any other apartment in the building.
And this kitchen is amazing, but this is what you get with new construction,
it is,
right?
But usually with new construction, it's not this special.
Okay, so tell me what we're looking at here. Give me the stats.
Well, what we put into the CitySnap app was 3 bedrooms, at least 3.5 baths, and that's what you have here, plus outdoor space.
So using the app, what are the keywords that you search for to find something like this?
You can use keywords like new construction, bright and airy, private keyed elevator access, and double height ceilings.
Seems like no matter what your criteria is, CitySnap can help you out.
And up here on the second floor, we have a full floor primary suite.
And what a nice second living area this is.
This is the epitome of flexible space.
Yes.
You can use it as an office, you can watch TV, and you can still see your garden views. Here we go.
Such great light, first of all, but second of all, I love primary with outdoor space.
We were looking for private outdoor space on the CitySnap app, and here we are. You ready to see the mega outdoor space upstairs?
Yeah. Wow, this is even more than I anticipated.
It's great.
It's like an outdoor oasis. You have everything you need right here.
And here we are in the heart of the East Village, and you have views of downtown. You have the Freedom Tower, you have the Empire State Building. It's really, really spectacular.
Okay, so I asked you if there was turnkey, top of the line everything, and outdoor space in this neighborhood, and boy did you deliver.
It was all because of the CitySnap app. We put in a bunch of features, and this is what came out.
Yeah, but it's not just like $7 million apartments.
Whether you're looking for a sub $5,000 rental or you're looking for a $1.2 million one bedroom, you can find it on the CitySnap app.
Find your home in a snap, right?
Look at you with the taglines.
Okay. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.